How to delete search engine from your Chrome browser. You can change your default search engine. Okay, if you change from Google search engine to the Bing search engine, or you can also change with the Ask or whatever you want. So in this video tutorial I'm show you how you can change or delete your Chrome your search engine from Chrome browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So guys, here this is my Chrome browser. So first thing what you need to do, you have to check your Chrome browser up to date or not. So I can check it. Just click on this three dot option here and go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start automatically updating, and after updating you can see the option here that will say the relaunch your browser. Then just relaunch your browser, then it will be up to date now. And now what you need to do, if you want to change your search engine, in my case you can see this is my by default Google account search engine. Google search engine is there, and whatever search engines search bar, it will be by defaultly Google search engine. If you want to change it, if you want to remove from Bing to Google, or Google to Yahoo, whatever you can do. So what you need to do, just click on this three dot option here, go to the settings, and at your left side there is a sidebar. So we need to find out the search engine. Okay, just click on search engine here. So you can see this is a search engine which I used. By default is Google. You can change with Bing, you can change with Yahoo, you can change with DuckDuckGo, you can change with info.com. If you want to change with Bing, I have to select the Bing. Then here you can see the manage search engine and site search. Just scroll down, and Bing is my by default my search engine right now. So you can also change from here also by Google. Then here you can see the change has been done, Google. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the site search. To search specific site for part of Chrome, type the shortcut address bar, follow them. Just click on add. You can also add any search engine if you want from here. Just click search engine name, the shortcuts, and the URL. Just add that, it will be add here. You can make default like this here, and it will be add here by default in this section. So you can change from here also. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.